Closing arguments are set for tomorrow in the Michelle Troconis trial, and today the judge and attorneys for both sides worked on the instructions jurors will get right before they deliberate. Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland, who has covered this high-profile case since day one, is live outside Stamford Superior Court. Matt.
Well, Aaron, call a little bit history in the making. For years, these charge conferences in which the final jury instructions are finalized, well, they were done off the record in the judge's chamber, but that changed a few years ago until the judge saying it's the first time in Connecticut one was live streamed.
Burden of proof.
Nothing, Judge.
For roughly 2 hours this morning, both the state and the defense providing input to Judge Kevin Randolph on the final instruction jurors will get when they start to deliberate.
The court has included an instruction on accessory liability. The court has included an instruction on expert testimony.
Making arguments before the court.
And here you have a situation where essentially the same crime is charged in 4 different counts. 2 is a conspiracy, 2 is an accessory when we speak about the tampering, and then of course there's the conspiracy murder and then the hindering prosecution.
And going through the more than 50 pages of instructions the jury will use as they determine Michelle Troconis' fate in connection to the 2019 disappearance of Jennifer Farber-Dulos.
The way I propose it, Judge, is that at that point I write, before I instruct you on what conspiracy is, I will read you the elements of murder. So I have no objection to the court proceeding in that manner. We agree.
The state alleges Fotis Dulos, Troconis' boyfriend at the time, killed his wife Jennifer inside her New Canaan home, and that Troconis not only knew about it, but helped him cover it up.
The court will just insert the language after the, if the state proves beyond a reasonable doubt that the defendant did any of these things. That should remedy the concern.
You got to see for the first time how the I'll say how the sausage is made, right? What a jury is told is not just something that the judge just sort of pulls out of a piece of paper, out of a notebook.
Now, closing arguments are set for 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. One last chance for both the state and the defense to lay out their case for jurors. We're live at the mobile newsroom outside Stamford Superior Court. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
All right, big day.